guys, today we're gonna be doing a video on UnderTale, another one, and we left off, I think, about to do the date with Papyrus. Oh, we already did the date with Papyrus, I forget. Sorry about that. But yeah, I think we left off at the date of Papyrus, or just finished the date with Papyrus. No, okay. So we already did the date. Did we already go with Sands to Grillby's? About to talk. I'm sorry for not uploading in a while. I've just been busy a lot. Okay, no, we already did that. Okay. I've been really busy lately. So, sorry about that. Huh? Huh? There's a camera behind the waterfall. What's this? I swore I saw something behind that rushing water. And I have watched somebody do a walkthrough of this up until the Undyne fight. So I know a couple more things. I don't think I have a voice for Undyne yet. Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I told you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human show yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You see. Ooh, Papyrus is scared of Undyne. I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. Papyrus out. They're gonna put the spear at me though. It went to the left. She didn't even put the spear near me. Hey, it's Monster Kid. Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous. What did you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. Oh, he just fell dead on the save point. That's slightly Steven. Wait, what did it say? A feeling of dread hangs over you. Stay determined. Oh wait, what does this sign say? When 4 bridge seeds align in the water, they will sprout. So I can just put them right here. There and there. Well, that's great and all, but I can't get really across. So, let's go back and yoink. Oh, yoink. Put that there. Yoink. Put that there. Put that there. And put that there. I just searched up a guide for waterfall because I heard there's a lot of weird puzzles with these things. Oh, the first enemy. Aaron flexes in. Okay, let's go what options we have. So, you can spare or flee. I don't think spare's an option right now. Aaron. Oh, let's shoot. You tell Aaron to go away. You'll change your mind. Oh god. Okay. No. I don't want you to sweat. I'm assuming that's what that is. Let's try flexing. You flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you too. Flexing contest? Okay, flex more. Oh, okay. I don't. Ow. He hurts. I'm on controller. I'm not good with the controller. Plus powder. Oh, no. Oh, sweat. Ow. Did this sweat just do less? 33 next flex. Flex. You flex. Aaron flexes very hard. He flexed himself out of the room. You won. You earned 0 XP and 30 gold. Okay, so I know that at this part, you can align the seeds right here, and you can get like an item. Let's go get that item. Don't know what it is though. Okay, so let's do that. Yeah, okay. Those should go. There's a lone quiche sitting underneath this bench. Will you take it? Take it. You got the abandoned quiche. Abandoned quiche. She has 34 HP. A psychological damage spinach egg pie. Okay. I just wasn't ready for the responsibility. Okay, and I think it's like right here. Yeah. Like I said, I searched up a guide on. Actually, I'm just gonna stop lying to you guys, thinking that I'm a noob and everything. I've played this game a countless amount of times. I've beaten on every route: genocide, true pacifist, regular pacifist, and no mercy. Ring. Hello, this is Proprietus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. Nyahaha. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a bandana. Is that true? Are you wearing a bandana? Is it Undyne? I don't trust her, so nope, I'm not. So you aren't wearing a bandana. Got it. You're my friend, so I trust you 100%. Have a nice day. Click. A long time ago, monsters would whisper the wishes into the star, and the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Wishing room. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. Oh, not the enemy. Washua shuffles in. Touch. You reach out. Washua recoils from your touch. Yuck! Just like George from Poopa Pig. Oh god. Ah, no. Ow, no, stop. Clean. Green means clean. Well then, hurry up. Holy crap, why does he go so fast? Holy crap, no, I'm gonna, oh. Woo-hoo. I almost died there. Come on, sis, make a wish. I wish my sister and I will see the real stars someday. Oh yeah. Wait, no, this is one. Oh, this is the area where I first meet Undyne, I think. Walk. Frisk, move those tiny little legs. Yeah, I know for a fact this is, and I know that when I am fighting her in this part, I can't heal, so I'm gonna heal like that. Simple, right? No, Undyne. Bad Undyne. Bad fish. Bad. No. Dang it. Ow. Oh, I couldn't go down. Oh, I got caught on something. I got caught on the tiniest corner. Okay, go. No, move. What did I get hit by? I don't even know what I got hit by there. Okay. No, stop. 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 She just threw spears at me when I hit the freaking grass. What the heck, Undyne? Bam. And it's Monster Kid. We have a winning contestant. Oh, I guess we don't. Undyne does not like Monster Kid. Just casually walks away. Doesn't even look for the other Doesn't even look for the human. Just, yeah, I'm just gonna, there's like monster that I can't harm the human. Can't have the little kid have his life traumatized by blood. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. I'm never washing my face again. Man, are you unlucky? Man, are you unlucky? If you were standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see you again. Oh yeah, this is the place where you have a chance to see Gaster. No hallway. Dang it. What's up, Sans? I'm thinking about going into the telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G to use this premium telescope. But since I know you, you can use it for free. How's about it? Use the telescope? Yas. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make sure I'm still recording, and I am. Okay, then. Okay, sorry about that. I was just wanted on the phone. Hey, Sans. Did he give me that purple eye? You won't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. Oh. I get the joke. It was... I don't know if you guys get the joke, but... He said it was 50,000 G, and then he said he'll give it to me for free. I got the black eye, and then after that he said, when I got the black eye, he said, I'll give you a full refund. I relocated my store, but there are still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards! Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 punch cards, you can trade them in for a free ice cream. They're sure to get the customers to come back. Ice cream. It's the frozen treat that warms your heart. Now just... I think the price went up. Super, here you go. Okay, now I can get my punch cards. Oh, I have to go down here and I have to go... Slip! Use the box. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Why? Take a card. I got a punch card. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now I can go back. Do this. Give me my ice creams back, freaking box. And now I can go explore. pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? Take it. Oh yeah, I'm carrying too much. Yeah, no. I'm pretty sure those are attack items. Yeah, they are attack items. Now, I might not be a noob. Hello, this is Papyrus. But I don't know a lot of things in the game still, so... Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is very murdery. Well, worthy not, dear human. Papyrus would never betray you. You said you were not wearing a bandana, so of course I actually told her you were indeed wearing a bandana. It pained me to tell such a bold-faced lie. But since you aren't wearing a bandana, she surely won't attack you. Now you are safe and sound. Wowie, this is hard. I just want to be everybody's friend. Am I still wearing a bandana though? And I am. Thanks a lot, Papyrus. You walk into modes more. Oh yeah, these things I can just spare. I expect the one to turn into mode big. Oh, this is where if I do a genocide and I just walk around here until I get enough kills. Until I get enough murders. Okay. Oh, it's weird anime tentacles. Hey there, noticed you were here. I'm Onion-san. Onion-san, did you hear? You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time. But hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium like all my friends did. And the aquarium's full anyway, so even if I wanted to, that's okay though. You hear? Undyne's gonna fix everything, you hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean, you hear? Is that all this thing says, you hear? Hey there, that's the end of this room. I'll see you around, have a good time in Waterfall! Oh. Shiren hides in the corner, but somehow encounters you anyways. Shiren, sigh me. Oh god. It's fair. I hate Shiren. Wait, I forget the tune of this. But I know it's a really easy way to kind of get Temmie and Temmiyama. It's as it seems like do. No, it's not the waterfall theme. Though I probably could play the waterfall theme. I'm gonna search up a guide. So I'm probably gonna do this off camera and just come back to it. Boop, because I can't remember that. Actually, we don't even need the dog residue. It's fine. I wonder what happens if I don't take an umbrella. Actually, I know because I tried it before. Nothing much happens. Monster Kid just hates you, basically. Howdy there, Monster Kid. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome. I mean, dude, if you want an umbrella, it's just right back here. Oh, yeah, I forgot. He doesn't have arms. You can just bite it. Shove it, like, down into your skull and just, you know, take some brain damage so you can not get wet. See, it's the logical thing. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. Well, I am human, so I take offense to that. So one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. I mean, yeah, teachers are pretty mean, dude. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's cool to ever hurt an innocent person. I mean, my teacher wasn't that innocent. My teacher was just mean. She was sexist and mean. The usual thing when it comes to female teachers that are like 95. And I'm kidding about that too. It wasn't that old, but she did seem to treat the girls with a little bit more kindness. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Climb on my shoulders. So somebody that doesn't even have arms has shoulders? Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through. You don't have arms. Where else are you gonna go? The serene sound of a distant music box. It fills you with determination. Bridge. Bridge, 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 bridge. Bridge, 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 bridge. Do. Boom. Howdy. Howdy. How would you feel if you just didn't stab me? I mean, I would very much appreciate it, but I mean, you're Undyne, right? So I guess you don't really have feelings. Oh, God. Nope. No. 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 How about no? Want some more no? With a no-witch? No. No. I'd rather not. I pass. I pass. Yeah, I'd rather not. Really? Oh, okay. Okay, I guess you don't care. I'd rather not. Okay. 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 That's not nice. No. I'm so bad. Holy crap. Okay. Step, step, step by step. 3 spears. 2 a human, a fish, 2 parts of a bridge. The fish is in some real sick looking armor. What are the 3 spears though? Well, they obviously cut them in half. It sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. River, huh? That's a nice name. My name is Asriel. Those are chains that say GG on them. Okay. A bike looks like a fish, oddly. That's like a book? Like, I guess the computer book thing? Dude, he's an anime. Fucking anime? Do you want to beat it up? You tap the dummy with your fist. You feel bad. Aw, Frisk, it's okay. You don't have to feel bad. Boop. Fool, you think you can hurt me? I am a ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too, until you came along. They were a shy sort, living in a lonely life in the ruins. They saw you and hoped you might talk to them, perhaps strike up a friendly conversation. But no, you ran away and broke the little ethereal heart. Despicable, despicable, despicable! Me, human, I show you what real heartbreak is. Boop, boop, boop. Woohoo! Ow, you dummies! Watch where you're aiming your magic attacks. Hey, you! Forget I said anything about magic. I'll use your sword across the barrier. I'll stand in the window of a fancy store. Then everything I want will be mine. Huh, yeah, I guess that'll avenge my cousin. Oh, I hit him once. Watch. What was the name again? Whatever, whatever, whatever! Bam, bam. Mad dummy, attack, 30, defense, yes. Futile, futile, futile! Come on, magic dummies, hit him! Hey guys! Dummies, dummies, dummies! Remember how I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures, you're fired! You're all being replaced! Ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha ha! Now you'll see my true power! Relying on people that aren't garbage! Dummy bots, magic missile! Dummy bots, try again! Dummy bots, you're awful! Dummy bots, final attack! Oh, let's go. No way! These guys are even worse than the other guys. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I don't need friends. I've got knives. Woohoo! Start your knives. I'm out of knives. Oh, that always gets me. But it doesn't matter. You can't hurt me and I can't hurt you. You'll be stuck fighting me. Forever. Forever. Forever! How much do I get? Ow! Ow! Ugh, acid rain. Oh, forget it. I'm out of here. Whoop. Naps the blue ook, naps the blue ook, naps the blue. After this, I'm gonna end it, and I know this is the second part where I ended on the tail bit. The second part where I ended in Waterfall, but still, Waterfall is probably the longest part in the game. Oh no, you guys look like you were having fun. Oh no, I just wanted to say hi. Oh no. Well, I'm gonna head home now. Oh, feel free to come with if you want, but no pressure. I understand if you're busy. It's fine. No worries. Just thought I'd offer. My house is just up here in case you want to see it. Or in case you don't. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. Bye. But